What's the rest of it? Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle? Can you do ta-da?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. What other songs do you know? Do you know ABCD? ABCD? That's a very good job. Any more songs? How about Happy Birthday? Do you know Ring Around the Rosie? Ring around the rosy, rosy, down. That's very good. You say, bye-bye, see you later. See you later. Can you count for me? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What comes after 6? 1? I don't think so. All right, see you later. See you later. Mwah.